In this video, we're going to go over the conversion campaign. Now, this is something that you want to do if you want to get immediate results for your client. If you have some specific offer that you want to get immediate results for, this is going to be the best way for you to go about that. However, what you want to do first, and we walked through in another video, the pixel. So making sure that you have the pixel installed, right, like we went through in the other video, and making sure you have a custom conversion created, just like we installed on the thank you page, where it's telling us that when somebody lands on that page, right, that means that they're a lead, because that's the only way that they can get there. So make sure you have your pixel installed, and then you have your lead conversion, right, custom conversion on the thank you page. So let's go over here to conversions, and this is going to be where we're optimizing for clicks, right? And then we're going to actual conversion. So when we're optimizing for a conversion, we have to understand that that could be a lot of different things. And for this particular instance, like I mentioned, to be able to get very quick results, we're going to be optimizing for conversions of clicks. And then we're going to switch the conversions from clicks to actual conversions for leads, right? So let's go down here and let's just name this dental implant. This is just going to be an example here. Make sure you're following along with the proper naming structure. And then let's go to continue. And then we'll set up here our particular age. Let's just say 25 to 60. All right, so now that we're here, we want to make sure that we're selecting the right conversion event that we installed on the landing page, right? This is going to be the lead here. So whenever somebody's landing on this thank you page, this is going to get triggered right here. We see there's a lead right there. So let's go ahead and move forward with this. Now, what we want to do here is make sure that we're optimizing for the right type of conversion. And that's going to be the link clicks right here, okay? Because we want to get the most amount of clicks within a 3-day period, or anywhere between 20 to 30 clicks, and then switch it to a optimization for conversions, okay? Very important here. What we're looking to do is kind of hack this with Facebook, where we have a conversion campaign. However, we're not optimizing right out of the gate for conversions, right? We're optimizing after about 3 days or 20 to 30 clicks, okay? So let's go to link clicks right there. Okay, great. Now notice this here. This is saying that the particular ad here is going to be optimized not for the actual conversions. And that's precisely what we're doing here. We wanted to get optimized for the link clicks, because then that is an actual optimization trigger. And then once we start getting some data on the link clicks, right, then we can turn that into the actual conversion. So very important to understand there that what we're doing here is we're letting Facebook optimize for the conversion of the link click. And then once we get that data, then we switch that to a actual conversion, okay? Because we want to have data before we can turn on the actual conversions. We could just put a simple audience here for the dental offer. So let's just say we're targeting people 25 to 60, okay? And then let's grab this particular, this address right here. And then we want to do a certain mile radius. So let's go to edit right here. Exit that. And then boom right there. Okay, great. 25 to 60. That's going to be good right there. Okay, great. And then we want to make sure we have the right edit placements here. So then going right here, this is where we want to set our budget. You can do as low as 10, but obviously recommended here is 20. So let's go ahead and run this continuously. If you want to run this between a certain time frame, you can do that here. But for this, we're just going to leave it as a daily budget right there. And so now we're going to go to continue here, and then we're going to set up our ad. Now, I'm not going to create an ad here. I'm just giving you an overview of the clicks to conversions, because after about 3 days and we get about 20 or 30 clicks, We then want to go into the specific ad set and then change the conversion from clicks to actual conversions. So get this set up here with the clicks to conversion, gather that data, 20 or 30 clicks, and then after that, go back into the ad set and switch the conversions. Let's go to right here. Switch the conversions in your actual campaign, right, to now be conversions for actual real conversions, right? Like I've mentioned, this is a really nice little neat hack here where you can optimize for those clicks first, get those clicks 20 or 30, wait about 3 days, and then come back in here to the ad set level and switch this to an actual conversion right there, and then boom, right? And then Facebook's going to go find those individuals that are most likely to convert into a lead, okay? So very, very powerful strategy here, and that's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.